In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly share your GoDaddy domain with your web designer, maybe another marketing agency, or basically anybody who needs access to your domain to make changes and connect to it. So we're going to use a feature called Delegate Access. And Delegate Access is basically giving somebody like, I guess, a manager key or like a spare key to your domain, right? Now, what's good about Delegate Access is that they can't move it out of your account to their own account, right? It's kind of a good security feature too. They can renew the domain, they can make changes to it so that it goes to a certain website, but they cannot move it out of your account. So, starting with this, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure that we're at GoDaddy.com. As you can see, you can easily get here by just typing in GoDaddy.com. You don't even need the www. You can just type in GoDaddy.com. You go here. Now, I'm not going to walk through the step of like logging in and all that. It should be pretty straightforward. When you log in, you need your email and your password or your username. I think another one is your customer ID or something like that. So anyways, in this case, we're already signed in. And what I did is that I clicked on this. And in this case, I'm going to open it and go to a new tab, right? And once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page, right? So this page, you're looking at some of the domains that you have. If you have hosting or email, you might see some of that stuff too. So once you're logged in, the next step you have to do is you're going to have to click on your profile, right? And we're going to go to account settings, all right? So in this case, I open a new link, right? And it takes me to this page here. Once you're at this page, there's only a few steps left to do. Here's going to be your email, your phone number, your address, all your company information. What we want to do is click on this drop-down menu under account settings, and we're going to go to delegate access. All right. Once we're in delegate access, I'm going to just open a new tab, right? And it takes you to this page here. Delegate access. This is the main reason why we were even in GoDaddy. We needed to go from the main website to the product page to click on account settings, to go to your profile, then to find account settings submenu, delegate access, and then to get finally to this page. So at this point, we're going to do invite people who can access my account. This is the email and the email that you need to type in, right, for the person that you want to be able to get access to this. So in this case, let's say you want to do it for us, it would probably be admin@Accretion Digital, right? Just like this. And then you would hit, domains if you just want us to access the domains and products if you want us to be able to change your billing info for your custom emails like admin at your business or info at yourbusiness.com. And then products, domains, and purchase. You probably want to do this in our case if you're working with us because you want us to be able to renew something, or if in the worst case scenario that you change your credit card and you just need somebody to pay for the domain so you don't lose access to it, so it's renewed, right? That's what you would do. And then in this case, you can just type in our name, right, Accretion Digital, and then admin@Accretion Digital, and you hit invite. Once you hit invite, we will get notified about it. And then I think you get notified as well when we accept the invite. And then obviously this is all you have to do in order to let somebody else be able to connect to your domain without worrying about them being able to move it out of your account or being able to, to basically make it theirs, right, without your permission. This is again like manager access. All right, that concludes this video, and that's how you invite somebody to manage your domain with your GoDaddy account.